Scientists and engineers at Sandia Labs and Lockheed Martin have developed new technology with the potential to radically alter the field of optical and electrical thin films. This innovative nanocrystal coating can be applied with simple, low-cost methods. Some possible uses include coatings for flash memory chips, sensitive aircraft parts, and night vision goggles. Customers are the Department of Defense, the Department of Energy, and NASA. The chemical and physical nature of the film can be modified at various stages of synthesis and deposition. This flexibility gives it many advantages over conventional approaches. Electrical, optical, thermal, and magnetic properties can be optimized. And instead of requiring strict conditions, such as high temperatures, vacuums, and the use of toxic precursors, coating can occur under ambient temperatures and pressures with chemicals that are far less toxic. Smaller, simpler equipment means deposition can take place outside traditional facilities, on assembly lines, or in the field. There are also fewer training requirements for those who do the work. Fine-tuning films and using simpler coating processes provide new options for difficult situations. Surface tension and drying stress that can cause cracking is eliminated. Large or complex parts, flexible materials, and temperature-sensitive pieces, such as plastic, can be easily coated. This innovative approach to optical and electrical film deposition is engineering with nanotechnology at its best, creating better ways to face complex challenges.